Eastern 205, gas taxi.
China Eastern 305, taxi via Lima 1 by Alpha hold short of runway 36.
Taxi 36, Eastern 205.
China Eastern 305, please read back taxiways.
Okay, clear for taxi Eastern 305.
No, you're not clear for taxi to back clearance. Please confirm taxi. China Eastern 305.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, runway 36, Eastern 305.
Negative, there's no Alpha Bravo short here. China Eastern 305, where are we going?
Going home 36.
China Eastern 305, stop taxiing. Repeating, China Eastern 305, stop taxiing.
Clear for takeoff, China Eastern 305.
No, you're not clear for takeoff. This guy must be kidding me, it's a prank. Big Doll CV's here somewhere. Hold position, 305, hold position.
Ground is Delta 905, hold short 09.
Okay, 905, hold position. There's an 8330 taxi in without clearance. I'm sending someone for it.